Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, your go-to spot for all things home decor and furniture. Whether you're looking to transform your space on a budget, find inspiration for your next DIY project, or learn how to turn your passion for design into profit, you've come to the right place. We're excited to share tips, tricks, and creative ideas that will help you elevate your home while also exploring ways to monetize your style. So, make sure to stay until the end of the video. We have some special insights and bonus tips you won't want to miss. If you love home decor as much as we do, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. And if you enjoy our content, please give us a thumbs up and share your favorite videos with friends and family. Your support helps us grow and continue creating amazing content for you. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and let's get started on transforming our spaces together. In today's market, the home decor industry offers numerous opportunities for individuals looking to turn their passion for design into a profitable venture. The phrase "monetize your style" encapsulates the essence of transforming personal tastes into a business model. By starting small, aspiring entrepreneurs can test the waters, minimize risks, and gradually scale their operations. This approach allows for organic growth and the opportunity to refine their offerings based on customer feedback and market demands. Understanding your niche. One of the first steps in monetizing your style is identifying your unique niche within the vast home decor landscape. This could range from rustic farmhouse decor to modern minimalist designs or even upcycled furniture. By focusing on a specific style, you can tailor your products and marketing efforts to attract a dedicated audience. Researching current trends and consumer preferences helps in shaping your offerings and ensures they resonate with potential buyers. This targeted approach not only enhances brand identity but also fosters customer loyalty. Starting small with low investment, launching a home decor business doesn't require a hefty initial investment. Starting small allows you to create a manageable inventory and develop your brand without overwhelming financial pressure. Consider beginning with DIY projects, sourcing materials from thrift stores, or repurposing items. This not only keeps costs low but also adds a personal touch to your products, appealing to the growing consumer interest in sustainable and unique decor. Platforms like Etsy or local craft fairs provide excellent venues to showcase your creations, facilitating initial sales and customer engagement. Marketing and building a brand. Effective marketing is crucial to monetizing your style. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, share behind-the-scenes content, and connect with potential customers. Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are particularly effective for visual storytelling in the home decor space. Collaborating with influencers or bloggers in your niche can expand your reach and drive traffic to your store. Building a strong brand identity complete with a memorable name, logo, and consistent aesthetic will help differentiate your business in a competitive market. Scaling up for future growth. As your small venture begins to gain traction, consider reinvesting profits to expand your product line or increase your inventory. Customer feedback is invaluable during this phase. It can guide you in developing new products that meet the evolving needs of your audience. Additionally, exploring wholesale opportunities with local boutiques or online retailers can increase your sales channels and broaden your market reach. In conclusion, monetizing your style in home decor is not just about making a profit. It's also about sharing your creative vision with the world. By starting small and strategically growing your venture, you can build a sustainable business that reflects your passion and style. This journey requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to adapt, but the rewards, both financial and personal, can be substantial. Ultimately, the goal is to create a brand that not only generates income but also brings joy to your customers as they beautify their homes with your unique creations. Thank you so much for tuning into our video. We hope you found some valuable tips and inspiration for your home decor journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating amazing videos. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep being creative and inspired.